how to reverse a video in CapCut. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the CapCut application on your device and further go ahead and import the video that you want to make a reverse video in. Once you have opened the video, drag the video to your timeline at the bottom. Once added, choose if you want to reverse the entire video or if you want to reverse just a selected portion of your video. So, if you want to select just a portion of your video and reverse it, then drag the timer to the part of the video that you want to reverse and then tap on the split option you see there, or you can also press the Command plus B keys. Once selected, go ahead and choose the end of the video that you want to make the reverse section in and then tap on the split option again. Now, go ahead and choose the portion of the video that you want to reverse and you will then see the option for reverse there. If not, you can also tap on the icon you see there right beside the crop option and you will see a drop-down menu appear. Simply tap on the reverse option you see there, and with this, the video reversing will begin. Once completed, the video will be reversed. So this is how you can reverse a video in CapCut. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.